a pumpkin, round and bright, glowing with joy in the morning light. Hey, red, orange, yellow, green, the prettiest colors we've ever seen. Blue, indigo, violet too, a rainbow smiles for me and my girls. Yellow's the sunshine, warm and high, smiling brightly in the sky. Green is the grass where bunnies play, jumping and hopping all the day. Hey, red, orange, yellow, green, the prettiest colors we've ever seen. Blue, indigo, violet too, a rainbow smiles for me and my girls. Blue is the ocean, splash, 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 little fish make a happy dash. Indigo's the evening sky, where little stars begin to fly. Violet's a flower, soft and fair, dancing gently in the air. All the colors shine so bright, filling our hearts with pure delight. Paint the rainbow one by one, learning colors is so much fun. Big and small, girls and boys, wave your hands and make some noise. Hey, red, orange, yellow, green, the happiest colors we've ever seen. Blue, indigo, violet too, a rainbow shines for me and you. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, every color is a treat. Sing together, 1, 2, 3, rainbow friends forever we'll be. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue sky sparkle bright and clean. Indigo, violet, hip hooray, let's find rainbow colors every day. Hey!
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।